This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You power on the HP Chromebook and immediately connect to Wi-Fi so the device can verify your account and fetch updates. Once done, sign in with your Google account. That syncs apps, bookmarks, and settings. Make sure to enable sync if you want passwords and extensions to follow you. If you don't have an account, create one quickly. It's the gateway to the Play Store and Chrome apps. These first steps set up identity and networking so everything else works correctly. Once signed in, open Settings and check about Chrome OS to install any pending updates. Updates improve security and hardware support, so install now even if it requires a restart. Next, install essential apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store. Choose lightweight versions when storage is limited. Then, organize storage. Use the Files app to move large files to an SD card or Google Drive, and make sure downloads doesn't fill internal storage. This prepares the system for daily use and prevents slowdowns. Now personalize the Chromebook. Adjust shelf position, change wallpaper, and tweak keyboard and accessibility settings so the device feels natural for you. If the system is unstable, consider Power Wash to reset to factory state, but back up files to Google Drive first, because Power Wash erases local data. If something goes wrong, restart the Chromebook, confirm Wi-Fi and account status, then reset specific settings. Only escalate to Power Wash or HP support when simpler fixes fail. That final checklist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.